Hi, Miss M6659. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Ma Katrina K. Lialdina. I am 41 years old. I have one son, 23 years old. I am from Namilangan, Alfonso Lista, Ifugao. My religion is Christian. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I have a work experience in Hong Kong from year 2022 to 24. I serve a couple and two children, aged 10 and 13 years old. My main duties are house cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, and marketing. I work again in Hong Kong with another family. I serve a couple and two children, 5 years old and 13 years old. My main duties is to look after the young boy and bring him to the school, house cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, and marketing.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Hong Kong and suddenly terminated the contract, what is the reason?
Because I have a family problem back home, sir.
Okay. What family problem do you have?
My husband passed away.
Okay. Um, so your employer know about this?
Yes, sir.
Did they give you a release letter?
Yes, sir. They give me a release of the letter.
Okay. If so since you have experience taking care of a baby, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check if the diaper is already full and the baby is wet. And then if the baby is hungry, and then I'll check the temperature. Maybe the baby is sick.
Okay. um you know how to prepare a milk for a baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I will call my employer immediately.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to work in Hong Kong again because I want to earn for my son and for myself and for my future, sir.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as the employer still needs me and want to continue my contract, sir.
Okay. For sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
I can cook sweet and sour pork, steamed fish, steamed egg with minced pork, long soup, stir-fried vegetable, and chicken and rice.
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with a baby?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
How about not to use cell phone with your without your employer consent?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets and elderly?
Yes, sir.
How about learning their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question. What will be your message for your employer?
For my future employer, please hire me because I'm a hardworking and I will take care of your family with respect and care. And I will respect your religions and culture and I will follow all the rules. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Maria Katrina K. Thank you.